Hello everyone. Today, let us know about the project e-commerce trading portal. Nowadays, e-commerce site is widely used in online businesses. The primary goal of developing the e-commerce trading portal system is to sell wholesale products through online, and the basic idea is that customers can buy wholesale products through online in a bulk. It provides the user with a category of different products. The system helps in buying of items and products through online by choosing the listed products from the website. Here, admin is the one who manages the entire activities of the web page. The customers can purchase the items in bulk, and they can also request for cancellation, and the amount paid will be refunded. Now let us extract the zipped file of the project e-commerce trading portal. Click on extract here. We can see that the file is extracting. The folder has been created. Inside the folder we can find the folder e-commerce trading portal, and it has got the 4 zipped files. Let us extract all the files here. So click on extract here for all the 4 files. So we can see database backup, PPT presentation, project documentation and source code files. So we can see that the files are extracting and the folders for each of the files are being created. Once the extraction is complete, we can view the contents inside the folder. So here we can see the database backup has got trading portal SQL file. In the PPT presentation we can find the PPT related to the project, and in the documentation the entire documentation of the project is available in this folder, and in source code we can find the PHP files required for the execution of the project. Now let us copy the source code and let us paste this in C drive in the XAMPP in htdocs folder. I have installed the XAMPP control panel in C drive. Wherever you have installed, you can paste in that particular folder. So now source code has been copied. Let us rename the folder source code into trading portal. Open XAMPP control panel and start Apache and MySQL server. Wait until the servers are running. Once it is running, open a browser. You can use any of the browsers. I am using a Chrome browser. Type localhost/php myadmin. So this will open the MySQL server, and here by clicking on databases we can create the new database. So let us create the database name as a trading portal and click on create. Now we can see that the new database has been created. We can create the new tables here, but since we already have the database backup file with us, let us import the file. So click on import, click on choose file, and in the e-commerce trading portal under database backup folder we can have SQL file trading portal. Click on open. Remember the name of the database and the database backup file must be same. Click on go. So we have to wait until the upload is successful. Now the database has been imported and we can see the tables inside it. Open the new tab and type localhost/trading portal. So we can view the web page trading portal here. So the home page of the project trading portal is available to view for us. We can view the home page here. In the home page we can find the images related to the trading and we can find the categories and new products by clicking on featured products. We can view the featured products. In about, we can find the information about the web page. Under products, we can view various products, that is the different products added to the web page. The newest products added will be appearing at first. In FAQ, here we can view any queries related to the portal, e-commerce trading portal. Under contact, the contact information is available to view. We can also see login and sign up option, and also by clicking on load more products, the products will be loaded. Now let us log into admin panel by clicking on staff login panel. The login ID of the admin is admin and the default password is admin. Click on login. We can view the admin dashboard here. Under add admin or employees, here the admin can add the admin or employees by entering their name, then selecting the type of the user and their details with login ID and password. By clicking on view admin, the admin can view the various users or admins or employees of the portal and can be edited as well as deleted. In add category, the admin can add the categories of products available, and this can be viewed, and the admin can edit and delete these categories. In add or view subcategory, the subcategory name must be added with a description, and under which category it falls must be selected, and then by clicking on save, it will be saved to the database, and this can be viewed and it can be deleted as well as edited by the admin. Before moving to view products, let us click on add products. Let us add one of the product here. So let us select the main category type, then the subcategory type, then name of the product must be mentioned, and the price of the product is required. Then how much discount the company is providing for the product, what is the minimum quantity that can be purchased by the customers, and the type of quantity, that is on what, whether it is in liters, pieces or boxes, that must be mentioned. Then warranty, then stock status, whether it's available or out of stock, then the specification of the product must be mentioned here. Under image, the image of the product must be selected and uploaded, and then the status must be selected as active, and click on save. So this will add the product to the database. Now under view products, we can view the various products added by the admin. The admin can also select the products by their categories and they can view them. Admin can also view the details of the product, as well as the admin can delete or edit the products added. Now let us log out from the admin. Let us register as a new customer. So click on sign up. So here the customer must enter their details for registration. So enter the name of the customer, the first name and the last name of the customer must be entered. Then the company of the customer must be entered. The address of the customer is required. Once the address is added, the city, the state and the country must be entered, and then the PIN code must be entered. The contact number as well as the mobile number of the customer must be mentioned here. Then the email address of the customer is entered. The email ID must be a valid email ID. Then the login ID and the password must be entered. The password must be re-entered for confirmation. Click here to register. This will register the customer account. Now the customer can log into the portal by entering their login ID and the password. So the password is wrong, so let us log in again. Now we can view the new products added, and the customer can update their profile details here. The customer can make changes to any of their details here. In change password, customer can make changes to their password details. Under products, the customer can add the product to the cart. So let us add some more products. Click on load more products and click on add to cart. So new product will be added to the cart. So here the minimum quantity is added. If we want to change the quantity, then we can change the quantity. Let us add one more product. So here we can change the quantity, but let us click on proceed to checkout. So we can view the contact details of the customer, then the product orders made by the customer and all the price details and the grand total. By clicking on I have confirmed delivery address and product order details, click here to make payment. Here the customer must make the payment by selecting the type of card they choose to make payment. Then the card number must be entered here. Once the card number is entered, CVV number must be entered, and then the expiry date of the card must be mentioned. That is a month and the year of expiry must be mentioned, and click on make payment. The payment is successful. The billing detail is available to view along with the shipping details and the product order. This invoice can be printed. So here the details of product order is available to view. Under billing report, in view report, the billing details can be viewed. Under purchase report, the customer can view the purchase made by them. They can view the product, they can cancel the order, and they can send the feedback. Let us send the feedback. By clicking on send feedback, the customers can post their feedback by entering the feedback they wish to give for the product they have purchased. They can also give the ratings for the product by selecting from 1 to 5. Then click on post feedback. This will post the feedback, and the feedback posted by the customer can be viewed here. The customers can also cancel the order by clicking on cancel order, and they have to mention the reason for cancellation, and then they have to click on send the request. Now let us log out from customer and let us log in as the admin. The admin must log in using the login credentials. The admin must verify the cancellation request of the customer, and only by approval the cancellation will be approved. Let us view the billing report. So here the admin can view the billings made by various customers, and on clicking on view report the billing details can be viewed. Under purchase report, by clicking on view product, the product purchased by the customer can be viewed, and the purchases made by different customers and different products can be viewed here. In view feedback, the feedbacks provided by the customers for various products is available to view. Also the ratings given by the customer is available to view. This can be deleted also. Under customer report, the various customers registered to the portal can be viewed. The admin has the authority to edit or delete the customer record and customer details. Under cancellation report, the admin can view the approved, pending and rejected cancellation request. So by clicking on view report, the customer can view the reason for the cancellation, and by viewing the reason, if the reason is valid, then as per the reason the customer will get the refund that is provided by the admin. By clicking on the request status as approved, the refund will be approved, otherwise the cancellation will be rejected. Now let us log out from admin and let us view the customer account. The customer must log in using their login credentials. The customer can view the cancellation report, whether it is approved or rejected by the admin. Under cancellation report, so here the cancellation report status can be viewed as approved. Under clicking on view report, the price of the product as well as the refund amount approved by the admin is available to view by the customer. So let us log out from the customer. So this is about the project e-commerce trading portal. Thank you for watching the video. For further queries, kindly visit our webpage. Thank you.